Giving my mom some trouble. Now this is gonna be part 2. Sorry, I accidentally hit the pause, and I can't send these videos to my computer for some reason. It just will not let them send. And yeah, and I actually need the light bulbs. God, I'm an idiot. Now we just got these orange ones. The one that comes out of it. Yeah, it's getting a little toasty. So maybe that's why I was giving my mom some issues. But the ones that came out of it are clear. The new one right here, and the old one. So we're gonna go ahead. It's literally just a plug-in. Nothing special to it. You just kind of plug it in. And I'm gonna go turn on the hazards just to make sure it's working. So as you can see, it works just fine. So put that in there. Yeah. Put it back on and it's golden now. So as you can see, it is on and working. This one, as you can see, I kind of see the problem now. Kind of see maybe. It's a little burnt out there. So it's probably just getting a little heated, about ready to be changed. My face is in the camera. Okay. And then it's really honestly simple to get them back in. Yeah, just... I might go turn off the freaking hazards. God, I'm draining the battery. What you want to do, you can see those rubber plaque. That isn't supposed to come out, but it's no big deal. That's what it's supposed to look like. What you want to do is you just lift it. Come on, just line that back up. Push it in. Just give it a good hit. It's a taillight. He'll take it. So that is it. That is how you fix a taillight to a 2013 Ford Flex. Christian's Repair Projects. Recommend it to your friends. Remember to like and subscribe.